Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix all basic errors in the Chatgpt app in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn airplane mode on and off. Then open the Chatgpt app again. Step 2. Restart the Chatgpt app. Now close the app completely from the recent apps. Wait a few seconds, then open it again. This can fix small glitches and loading issues. Step 3. Restart your phone. Turn your phone off, wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Then try opening the ChatGPT app again. Step 4. Update the ChatGPT app. Now open the App Store or Google Play Store, then search for ChatGPT and tap update if available. Update fix bugs and improve performance. Step 5. Reinstall the ChatGPT app. If the issue continues, uninstall the app, restart your phone and install it again from the App Store or Google Play Store, then log back into your account. And that's how you can fix all basic errors in the ChatGPT app. Also follow the simple steps and your ChatGPT app should work smoothly again. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.